Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Hen. Excellent. Cow. Yes. Pig. Keep it up. What beautiful white bird lives on the lakes? Swan. Great job. Duck. Way to go. Goose. Good thinking. Rooster. Nice. Horse. Exceptional. Who looks like a little horse? Pony. Perfect. Who is very stubborn? Donkey. That's the way. Goat. You did it. Sheep. You've got it. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Cow. Most cows live on a farm. They are very calm and almost never hurt people. Cows give us milk, and milk is very good for our bones. So if you want to be big and strong, drink a lot of milk. Pig. Pigs are very important farm animals. Pigs can eat almost anything. They like to take mud baths. They are not messy. It's just that mud protects them from the sun. Pigs have funny-looking noses. They are very good at smelling things. Swan. Swans look a lot like ducks, but are more fancy-looking. Young swans look very simple. It is hard to believe that one day they will turn into beautiful swans. Mommy and Daddy swans usually stay together their whole life and never leave each other. Duck. Ducks are very good swimmers. They come in different colors and sizes. People get fluff and meat from them. Goose. Some geese are wild and some are calm. Geese are able to fly, and that is why people clip their wings, so they won't fly away. We get eggs, meat, and fluff from them. Rooster. Roosters are daddy chickens. They are much bigger than hens. Roosters like to have a lot of space. They fight anyone who gets too close. Pony. Ponies are so small, people think they are baby horses, but they are really a special kind of a horse. Ponies can carry a lot of weight. Horse. Horses are very fast. A long time ago, people would use them to get around. Now we use cars. But people still ride horses for fun. Sheep. Sheep are fluffy and white. There are lots of different kinds of sheep. We get meat and wool from sheep. Wool is used to make things like clothes and comfy blankets. Donkey. Donkeys look like horses, but they are much smaller and have long ears. Donkeys are very stubborn animals. Some people can also be stubborn like a donkey. Do you know anyone like that? Goat. Goats have funny beards, which makes them look very interesting. We get a lot of good things from them, like milk, meat, and skin. They can eat any type of grass. Hen. Hens are mommy chickens. They come in different colors and sizes. Chickens are very helpful for us. They give us yummy eggs and chicken legs. Their fluff is used for very cozy and warm blankets. Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Crow. Sweet. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Pigeon. All right. Who has colorful wings? Butterfly. Oh, yeah. Cat. You go. Who steals cheese and hates cats? Mouse. Bravo. Dog. Beautiful. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Crow. Crows can be found pretty much everywhere. They nest in towns, cities, and villages. They are very smart. For example, when a crow finds a nut, it knows to drop it on something hard in order to crack it. Pigeon. Pigeons used to be the fastest mail carriers. People trained them to return home after a message had been delivered. There are many, many different kinds of pigeons. A lot of pigeons live in cities, and you can see them in squares or parks, walking around, searching for food. Butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful, bright, and colorful insect. They are very hard to spot because they can pretend to be a flower. Every butterfly starts out as a caterpillar before it turns into a beautiful butterfly. Cat. Cats are very common to have at home. They are very lovable and cute. They are also great at catching mice. That's why captains would take cats on a ship to protect the food from mice. Mouse. Mice come in different colors: gray, white, black, brown, and a mixture of all those. They do a lot of harm to farms and eat up grain. They always find a way to sneak in. They also multiply quickly, so it's hard to get rid of them. Dog. Dogs are well known to be man's best friend. The animals are very loyal guardians and kind companions. They never betray their owners and serve them with all their heart. People use dogs for hunting as well. They can smell prey and track it down very easily. Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Canary. Dynamite. Who can talk like humans? Parrot. Super. Who is super strong? Who is super strong? Chameleon. You'll get it. Who is super strong? Ants. Superb. Who can change skin colors? Chameleon. Phenomenal. Who lives in an aquarium? Who lives in an aquarium? Goldfish. Good. Who carries its own house? Turtle. Hooray! Puppy. Good work. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Hamster. Nice work. Who makes a hissing sound? Frog. Give it another try. Who makes a hissing sound? Snake. Excellent. Who is called a pig but is not a pig? Guinea pig. Yes. Kitten. Keep it up. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Canary. A canary is a small bird, usually living in the Canary Islands. Sometimes canaries are kept as pets and live in cages. They can sing very beautifully. Parrot. Parrots are very colorful. They can be very amusing. You can train them to say things and sound like people. Ants. Ants are little insects who build houses in the ground and have large families. They might be tiny, but they are very, very strong. If you were as strong as an ant, you would be able to pick up a car and carry it around. Some queen ants can live for many years and have millions of babies. Goldfish. Goldfish live in fresh water, usually in Eastern Asia. They have brassy or reddish coloring and are often found in aquariums. The average goldfish can live for 10 to 20 years. But if you take good care of it, it can live as much as 30 years. The oldest goldfish that ever lived was named Tish and died at the age of 41. Turtle. Turtles have horny, toothless jaws and a bony or leathery shell where it hides its head, limbs, and tail. Turtles like to eat plants, jellyfish, shrimp, and clams. Turtles usually lay their eggs in sand on the seashore. Puppy. A puppy is a baby dog. Usually, one dog has 3 or 4 puppies. Puppies drink milk and play with each other. They never seem to get upset, even when they fall down. Their tails wag very quickly. A happy puppy is ready to play with anything and will chew on everything. Hamster. Hamsters are small, furry, and cuddly. They have larger cheek pouches where they hide food. Hamsters need to play outside of the cage at least once a day to get enough exercise. However, they can hide under furniture or in other hard-to-see places. So keep an eye on them so they will remain safe as they explore. Guinea pig. Everyone knows guinea pigs are not really pigs, but not everyone knows that they are not even from Guinea. Some believe that they were named that way because they were sold for a guinea in England. Kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. Usually, cats have 3 or 4 kittens. The mommy cat feeds them with milk, and the kittens play with each other. Snake. Snakes belong to the animal group called reptiles. That means they are related to crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Snakes eat termites, rodents, birds, frogs, small deer, chameleon. A chameleon is a lizard that changes colors when it gets nervous or when it wants to talk to other chameleons. They are usually green with yellow stripes and black spots. They eat insects and birds using their very fast tongues.